What up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today's video is a how-to video. So today I'm going to be showing y'all how to change the sprocket and chain on a motorcycle, and I will be doing this on Nora, my XR250. Yeah, so let's jump into the video. Before you do anything, you need to make sure you have all your tools and parts. When you change a sprocket and chain, and you need to replace all three of them at once. So the rear sprocket, the drive sprocket, and your chain. Here's my new chain, my new front sprocket, and my new rear sprocket. And obviously you're going to need some tools. Something to get your back tire off. A tire stand to put it up. This is just a trail stand that I use because I don't have an actual stand. Some grips to hold the master link plate. Allen keys if you need them. Something to get your rear sprocket off. And yeah. So I think I'm all set, and here we go. First, you're going to need to take off a sprocket cover if you have one. There she is. Sprocket cover. Next step is getting this thing off so you can take off the front sprocket. Well, loosening it at first. So you just want to loosen it. You don't want to take it off just yet. You want to make sure you put the back tire up and then get the chain off before you do anything with the front sprocket. I just loosened it, but now I'm going to put her on the stand. Yeah, I want you to do so. I have to find this thing.
Oh,
so this is the master clip. So once you get this thing off, took a while, a little bit longer than expected, and you take this little front plate thing off, pry it, and then the chain just comes off like this. And if it's in neutral, you just pull the chain through, like so. And there you go. Now it's time to take the back wheel off and get the back sprocket off. Now, you loosen these bolts right there, and you have to do it by unloosening these Allen keys. So I have a 14mm wrench ready. And Allen key.
Use a wrench? No,
because you have to. It's one of those stupid bolts. Dang it, not big enough. Please tell me this is big enough. Yep. Okay. Perfect size. Hold it. Okay, now you just lift it off. Boom, it's that easy. Okay, now to get that new sprocket. Here we go. You place her right on there like so. Uh-oh. Oh, we can bore them though.
Yeah.
We had to drill out each individual hole to make it so the bolts could fit through. Now they all do. That took a while. Like, what'd you say? About 30 minutes?
Yeah, he did all the drilling, so that face right there is how he feels right now.
Alright, now time to put her back on the bike. But first we need to change the front sprocket. Pull the sprocket off. There we go. Okay, so guys, I got a O-ring chain, which is just like my old one. So you have to put this special grease on when you assemble the master link. Your master clip. And here are the O-rings. Yep. That's an O-ring chain for you. Okay. Yeah! Alright guys, we successfully got the chain on. Now it's just a matter of setting the tension. And that stays like that. Thank you, Aaron. Special thanks to this guy for helping me fix my bike.